everyone, it's me, Roxanne, and I'm back to share something new today. Earlier today, I was invited to be part of a focus group with a company who develops products for the Singer brand. And as most of you know, for the last 7 years, I've been doing video featuring the Singer Quantum Stylus 9960 right behind me. So I am a Singer girl from way back, and I do like to use Singer products. So I'm going to show you a product that they sent me today, and I'm going to do a little review and let you know what I think. So stay tuned. During this Zoom focus group meeting, there were 4 of us that gave our thoughts and ideas on the different products that we were shown. We were shown a series of slideshows with different products that are in development for storage. Some were take-along boxes or bags, and some were also product to hang your items on the wall in your studio or your sewing space. Each one of the individuals that participated was from a very different walk of life. There was one woman that was a fiber artist, embroiderer, and weaver. Another woman that was an attorney that's been making masks for many months now. And there was also a brand new sewist and crocheter in the group, in addition to myself with having a background in fashion and pattern making. So there were many different ideas going around, and I found it very interesting to hear all the different ideas that everyone had. So now I'm going to show you the kit that I was sent, the Singer Sew It Goes Sewing Essentials box. Each one of us received one of these boxes, and it comes in 3 different variations. I received the 255-piece kit that has the neon threads. So now I'm going to open the box, and I'm going to show you all the great things that are included. Now before I show you the Sew It Goes kit, I wanted to show you my original box that I got when I was a child when I started sewing. This is an old Harvest Gold Wilson box, and they came in larger versions for adults, and they also came in the smaller versions for children. And it had some similar features. It had a plastic lift-out tray that you could keep your items in, as well as a large cavity in the bottom to keep a project or two. I kept it all of these years, more for sentimental reasons than actual functionality. But now I'm going to show you the Sew It Goes box. Which one would you like to receive as a gift? So here it is. This is the Singer Sew It Goes Sewing Essential Kit in the neon version, and this is the one that I selected. There's a little clasp here, and you fold it down, and then this folds back. And on the top, you have 18 large spools of thread. When you open this little drawer, you have 12 small spools of thread and 12 preloaded bobbins. On the other swing out drawer, there are 12 bobbins here, and these are class 15 bobbins, which are perfect for me because they fit my embroidery machine. In addition to those swing out, you also have a drawer on top to carry additional items. And then the third drawer down has a whole variety of different notions, as well as lids to hold each item in its compartment. In the first compartment, you have small chrome and black snaps in 2 different sizes. The next compartment, you have small buttons in pearl and black. The next compartment, you have different size hooks and eyes for dresses, skirts, and trousers. On the other side, you have a nice variety of hand sewing needles. Looks like a little baggie with 2 or 3 needle threaders, which are always handy to have, as well as a thimble. The next compartment has gold and silver safety pins in a couple of different sizes, and then some straight pins. And that drawer slides right back into position. In the bottom drawer, you also have more items. You have a seam ripper, have a small pin cushion, a seam gauge or a hem gauge, a nice measuring tape, and a small pair of scissors. I thought it was great the way you have this drawer that comes out and you could keep additional supplies in, or you could keep this next to you when you're working on a hand sewing project. So that's the Sew It Goes kit. Well, I hope you enjoyed my latest review video featuring the Singer Sew It Goes Sewing Essentials kit. I hope you'll consider subscribing to my channel, and do check out the information in the down bar if you'd like to purchase this kit. I think this would make a super kit for a brand new sewist in your life, or maybe even for yourself. So have a happy creative day now. Bye!